Alright, here we go again. It's a little after 12 p.m. Wednesday, May 3rd. And they say we got a tornado warning and it may be heading this way from Amelia, points west, over near. It just never gives up. It's brought hail to a lot of places. Feels cooler, feels nice, but shit never gives up. The clouds are moving that way. Weird. Stratonimbus clouds. There's lightning everywhere. Just have to wait and see what it does. If it hails, well, got it right here. I'll get it. Alright, here comes the rain part. I don't know if you got that last clip, but they said the severe storm warning is that direction and it's likely to be heading over here. As you can see, it's starting to get dark, and dark is dangerous. So if it's not the rain or wind or hail, it's the lightning. Like it blew up my daddy's chimney. I don't know what it's going to do. More lightning than anything. That means the cloud is real high. Hey, the lightning just made the power blink. The lightning's extremely intense right now. And I saw, yeah, if y'all saw on my Facebook page where I showed you, I mean, it's intense. It's knocked the power out for a second and came back on. 12:30. There comes the wind part. It's knocking on our door. There's lightning over there, lightning there, lightning everywhere. I probably won't be able to load this up right away because it knocked the power out, and when that blinks, the Wi-Fi goes out with it. I have to wait for the Wi-Fi to come back on. Yep. But all I can do is just vlog whatever I can. I hate these kind of situations because you don't know what's going to happen. You don't know what it's going to do. You don't know if the wind's going to blow like this or get violent and toss everything around, and you see metal. You've seen videos. You know what they do. It's a spring storms. Anything can happen. Getting a little dark. Again, it looks darker than it really appears on the video here. Okay, the wind part's coming up. I'm gonna cut away. Okay, I think the worst is pretty much here. And Bobby, you're crazy for going out in this. You're taking an awful risk. Because it's getting dark, it's getting ugly. The rain's blowing from another direction here. Look at this. It's dark over there. This is real. Here we go, folks. Wind wars. Ah! We're getting the Hurricane Katrina treatment. I'll be hush hush no matter what happens. Because a lot of people don't like talking during bad stuff. Alright, I'm going to clip it up. And clip, and it's on. I just heard what sounded like a tree fall. Went crack, 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 boom. I don't know where it hit, but it sounded like over here. I hope it didn't hit anybody's house. A tree just went. I went crack, 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 crack over here. I hope it didn't hit Russell's house. Huh? Y'all people need to be indoors. I just blew a tree down. Now here comes the hail. I can't see it, but I can hear it. It's like pea size. Let me grab a piece. Oh, shit, my camera's water resistant. Yeah, that's pea size. Now here comes a good hail. Holy Moses. Look at it. Hail, hail, rock and roll. About that size right there. This has been very ugly and very vicious. See, the camera lens is not fogged in. Well, this is the iPhone 7. It's water resistant. It looks like the hail's letting up some. It's like dime size. Look at that again. Okay, now the hail's picked back up. This is very ugly. Look at it. But this is nothing compared to what they get up north. They get like the softball. This is just nickel, dime to nickel size maybe. But more than anything, it's raining like, oh God, it's a sheet of water. But my biggest concern right now is to see where that tree that went snap, crackle, and pop fell over with. Now, this rain is just incredible, man. It's just unreal how clear and beautiful it was yesterday. And Mother Nature's giving us the Pearl Harbor treatment today. Well, the hail stopped. Whoa, the lightning. Can't wait to glue all this together. God. This is just unreal, folks. And more than anything, it's just raining like crazy. The wind, the lightning. This rain is just blinding. I imagine, you know, you look on the radar I showed you where you see the purples. This is it right here, buddy. It's just a wall of water. It just will not let up. Well, it's 30 minutes into it. All the water. Wind, here comes the wind. Here comes another wave of wind. Oh boy. The wind always hits at the last minute. The bad wind. This is probably one of the worst bad storms I've been through. Besides a hurricane. Hurricane Alicia, Hurricane Isaac. But this, I mean, the rain is just, I'm surprised the power is holding up. I'm shocked. It did blink once when that lightning bolt came too close. But okay, Mother Nature, we throw in the towel. We give up. Spare us. Okay, it's lit up enough for me to go and assess that. Let me strap my belt in real quick so it doesn't blow me all over. I feel the worst is over right now according to the radar, so I feel confident now it will not hurt us. It's just going to get us a bunch of rain. But I was standing right there on the porch and I heard snap, snap, like something was whipping around. Then I heard snap. Come on, car, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Yeah, now y'all go slow. Okay. I mean, look at the ditches. Look at that. They need to come and dredge this out. Of course, I mean, that rain was heavy, as y'all saw, like you would not believe. Okay, that tree right there has been like that, or it may have blown it worse. Oh, there's what it did. Right in front of my house, guys. Right in front of my house. Did it hurt anything? I can't tell. Oh, not good. That's what it did the other day. Yeah. You see, it blew this tree right here. Oh shit. God damn it. Let me cut